Hello lifestylers, so I am back with the part 2 of my cleaning while quarantining, and this is my kitchen edition. And I am going to now be working on my lower cabinets, getting them organized and cleaned out, basically just to show you what's going on in this hot mess. It's not that bad, but I just have a whole bunch of stuff that's like, I have like kitchen tools plus pots all together. Here I have like all of my like glass, bakeware, glass stuff in here. So that's not that bad. It just needs to be cleaned out. You probably can't see all the dust and cruddy stuff, the crummy stuff in the corners, but I can. So I'll probably keep this one the same. It just needs to, everything needs to be taken out, and I need to clean it out and then put everything back. So that one's not that bad. In this one, I basically keep all my different types of cutting boards and whatnot. And then this normally has a bunch of my kitchen candles. As you can see, I'm down to one. So this one just needs to be cleaned out because it's really like dusty stuff in there. So that one's not that bad. Over here, I'm gonna totally take out all this. It's just stuff it's just like a throw it in there, get it out of the way, baskets people have given me or whatnot. So yeah, but see, you can see how it's dusty, cruddy in there. So yeah, I need to get all that cleaned out. So that's what's going on in there. And then what I'm gonna actually do is make this I'm gonna put all like my griddle, my waffle maker, my crock pots, my air fryer, all of that. I'm gonna store all my electric kitchen tools in here. The only one I won't be able to store in here is my turkey fryer, my electric turkey fryer, because it's ginormous. So that one will still have to be stored in the pantry. But that's what's going on in there. In here, I just have like light bulbs and I don't know, it just needs to be cleaned out. I don't know what all is in there. So yeah, that needs to be cleaned out. So you can see it's still, you can see it's cruddy and dusty. So all of that'll come out, and I'll go through it and throw out what I don't need and keep what I need. Down here under the sink area, here I just have my dishwasher little pods. These are the things that my stainless steel wipes, leather wipes, my ceramic wipe to clean my stove top, and then I only keep what I need for until it runs out. I have an area where I keep in my laundry room all of my overflow of these products. So yeah, it's not much. It just needs to be cleaned out, wiped out. And I need to find a little basket that I could put here, or turn this sideways and put another basket so I want to be able to store my sponges and my towels down there that I clean with. Currently I have those in a drawer, but I want to switch that out. But I want to find another basket. And then last but not least, this is pretty empty. I need to get some new little trays, but yeah, so nothing's really in here. I haven't decided what I want to do. That box needs to go. This is what my my stick vacuum cleaner came in. So I just kind of hold on to stuff to make sure. I don't want to return it yet before I get rid of the box. But yeah, so this one's empty, just needs to be cleaned out, and I'll figure out what I want to do with this space over here. But yeah, so these are what my lower cabinets are looking like. So let's go ahead and get them all organized and cleaned and disinfected and all that good stuff.